we're back, I think. Oh, it doesn't constantly track the person, so
Yeah, the sensor that turns into a stick, so I guess it's one use.
it turns into a stick?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Like the map turns into a stick after you use it. I have 4 diamonds left. I'm gonna start working towards an
Oh, I
anvil.
see. It gives you their chords.
Yeah.
Okay, we need an anvil for this, right?
I know, I'm working towards it right now. There you are.
Okay, I have a map. I just have to rename it.
Okay.
I have 3 gaps now as well. Okay, we can make more. Holy crap, that's a lot of fucking creepers.
Yeah, I really don't want to kill those things, just cat.
Oh fuck, I just blew up a creeper. I'm good though. I'm like 90 something, yeah, 91.
Oh, I can make a sharpness axe now, can't I?
Okay, so I have 6 diamonds on me, by the way.
Nice. Not the sharpness book yet.
What do I do?
Got a sharpness book. I really want to do episode 2. That's 2 dies up to a lot. So,
I know.
get off the bad.
5 more diamonds. You don't mind if I make a chestplate?
Nah, it's fine, I guess.
Oh wait, I can make a chestplate and boots. You don't mind?
Yeah, that's fine. Cause I have 4 on me still, so. Oh, DJ and Brody are very low health.
Yo, we could track them down.
I'm pretty sure Mav is near Brody, though, he said.
Yeah. Okay, I just want to track. Wait, what the fuck is this? Like zombie villagers or something?
I don't have redstone. That
Oh, dude, I have like 9 redstone. We're good. Oh fuck, I need coal right here. I honestly think we should just track them down right now.
Well, we gotta finish doing shit first.
I'm half diamond, I'm about to have 4 gaps. We can just get them out and probably get some shit from them.
We just need to. You come to me then.
When we rename it or whatever, we're gonna have to do it on surface, I'd say.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and then like all enchanted, ready to go and shit.
Yes,
Oh, yeah, and
yes,
then
right.
you have a bow for me, right?
I have 1 string because you can, I guess, you can get more though.
Not to worry, I got 2 string from a spider just now.
Okay.
Try to get 4 whenever you can. Yeah, so I have 4 gaps right now on me.
I have 0. I have 6 gold, so.
Almost dolphin fucking died into that.
Need 1 more level for a sharp tooth sword, then I'm gonna be happy with my yeah, I need
like again.
Same chords. No, it's exact same. It's the exact same chords.
Wait, is meet up episode 5?
6.
Are you sure?
Yeah, they said 6. I'm going to the surface.
5 more gold. Just move this real quick. I can make more healing.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so we're just gonna meet up at surface, right?
Yep.
Okay, got you. I'll just throw out some stuff.
Gotten pretty decent
Oh,
though
5
so
more
far, so.
diamonds.
Probably decently high then. I don't know though. Or
It may or
44.
may not be 3/4.
Well, I have 4, so I could make my own boost once in a while. I don't know.
Probably.
I want to wait till we meet up though. Let's get what we have, I guess.
Yeah, I'm coming up in a second. Be smelting and shit.
That
I
coming up.
think it's a good time to go up for me right now. Just over here. I'm gonna smelt this gold up and then bam.
I'll be here for tonight. We're not far at all.
Just hover over.
Literally, I'm at literally 5 blocks away from you. We were right next to each other, literally directly above me.
Yeah, can you like just hover
I'm
over
literally
me?
right here though. I don't think it's you, which is weird because
Yeah, it's
that's
not me.
in chat.
I'm at Y like 17. If you actually, oh, is that you? Hey,
Where?
I see your name. I see your name.
But I'm hearing the placing sounds. But it's placing and not breaking. It just sounds like it's in my ear.
Okay, I'm coming up. Just chill.
I don't know, but I'm hearing your sounds perfectly clear. Like, stop breaking stuff?
I'm breaking a third block right now.
I didn't hear that. I'm breaking a stone or something.
1 second. Oh, I'm good. Yeah. Where are you?
Are you breaking? Are you breaking?
Where are you? Stay there. I see you. Behind you.
Okay. I'm so confused, but okay. Alright.
Hey, give me that 1 string.
Take that.
How much healing do you have?
And that. No healing.
Jesus Christ, why didn't you smell your gold?
I only had 6. I just want it. And then how many maps can you make? How many stuff like
I
that?
have 1 map on me.
Can you make another one by any chance?
If I had paper.
I have 20 on paper.
Give me.
So yeah. I'll go for calf, you go for bowfish. This calf, I don't want to kill bowfish, but you do, so. I want bowfish to live forever.
What if they're like right next to each other or something?
And you
Okay,
won't
2
kill
maps.
us.
Okay, here. Oh my god, just make boots.
I need to heal now.
And then give me your helmet.
Okay. I need levels. Can you enchant this?
Oh, I'm gonna have to enchant
And then
sort of.
put healing.
I'm gonna have to enchant the helmet for you too, right?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Make those boots now. Dodge if you can, but if not, no problem.
Fuck. Well, shit.
Whatever.
Oh yeah, I need to make the bow.
And then you can just put healing. But...
Let me see here. Do you have any flint?
No, but I have 5 feathers.
Stop moving me, dude. Can I just get Braj? Oh my god. There we go. Okay, how much does it cost to rename? It has to be the exact IGN, right?
Yeah. Also, give me. Okay, yeah. Make both fishes and give it to me. Let me cast it. Could I give calves to me rather?
Wait. So I just put the name in, right?
Yeah, that's the IGN.
Okay, what's the exact IGN right now?
Just copy and paste it.
Bowfish kicks, right?
Just copy and paste it.
Bowfish kicks, right?
Yeah.
There we
So
go.
I'd rather go to calf.
It just told me his chords. Holy, dude, he's at 240. He's 244, negative 867.
That's very far. I was inside of the map.
Oh. Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
Also, split healing.
Oh yeah, here. There you go.
Should I heal one? Let's go heal now.
Okay, I'm gonna message you the chords. What's your exact hits? The hey 244 12 negative 8. No, you do calf. Do calf.
I don't have any levels.
Oh, I'll do it for you.
Yes.
Just give me your map.
It's gonna be right. I don't have a map. You still have it. I gave you the paper.
Oh, wait, I can make another map. Let me do that real quick.
Yes.
Oh, wait, cover me. Okay, how do you spell calf's IGN?
Just copy and paste it.
I don't know how to do that.
Give it to me. I can do it. I have a level now.
Okay,
Give it to me.
right there.
They came in together.
Okay, I knew it.
Like,
Yeah.
2,
Well,
2, 5 neg 881.
Okay, I'm making
Got it.
boats.
Oh, no,
Can we
you
go
won't.
get some flint real quick right here?
There you are. I guess I am.
Negative 50. Yeah. Okay, kill that zombie if you can, real quick.
The boat.
Okay, give me a second. Trying to get some stuff. I think we're gonna have to grind for flint later.
Okay, well, we have a long journey to go right now. We're literal opposite side of the map. I don't know if
I
this is worth
can
it,
do the
honestly.
name again if like we don't find them.
I honestly have no idea if this is worth it though, because we're so far. It sounds like it's a
Okay,
good
let's go.
team.
Yeah, who cares? Let's go after them.
Alright.
Oh wait, follow me? Or yeah. Okay, so it's wait, yeah.
Strange.
Can you read out the chords again?
225 negative 81.
800 negative 800.
225 negative 81.
Okay. Oh wait, someone right there.
Actually,
That's Loaf.
wait. Is my gaming? Wait, am I recording?
It's
I am
low.
recording.
It's
I'm
low.
recording.
You see him?
Okay,
Get him.
Get
Get this fucker.
Give me a second. Give me a second.
We're literally right behind his ass.
behind.
What do we do? Do we just let him go?
I don't know. What do we do? Never.
Chase his ass. I can't hit him because I'm on the fucking boat, dude.
I can't get out of the. Can you get out because you can shoot? No, that's a bad idea.
No, you can hit. You're in the boat, right? No.
Yeah, I am.
Can you hit him? Or
No, I'm with you. I'm behind you. I can't hit him.
dude, what the fuck do we do?
Gotta get me to the side. We
can't do
turn to the side.
anything.
We can drive by. Gotta make it. Get to the side or something so we can drive by him. Maybe.
I'm trying.
This is so weird.
Are we just gonna let? Should we just let him go? Wait, I got an idea. I got an idea.
Did you shoot him? Did you shoot him? We stopped. We stopped.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to shoot him. Oh, he's going online. He's going online.
Okay. I have no idea if I'm recording or not.
Got
I lost it a piece of my. Okay. Oh, he's
Get
swimming.
him. Go under. Go under.
I don't know how to swim this version, but okay. I'm swimming. Follow me.
I'm above. Oh fuck! I almost hit you. I'm gonna stay on the boat.
Hit him. Hey. Oh shit! Faster here.
Where?
Oh, someone. I don't know. If,
Oh, I see him. I see him.
him.
Oh shit! He's
Oh,
a
shoot,
jet!
This is bad. This is bad.
Get him! Get him!
He's behind me. Okay, flash,
Is it 33?
flash. Flash is here. Flash is here. Watch out. 15. 8.
Get him!
I'm going for.
Oh, I need help. I'm gonna die to flash. Help! Help!
Someone
Help!
else.
Help!
Someone else here. Wait. Someone else here. This is the team. I'm chasing left. Chasing left.
I'm getting chased by DJ team. Oh fuck off!
They're low. Go for them. Don't get them.
They're going for me. Please, please. I need you. I need you. Oh, they're gonna
Okay,
kill
I
me.
need-
They're gonna kill me. Please.
They're
I'm
low.
a half heart.
They're low. Okay. I don't know. I'm stuck in the water now. I'm by myself in the water.
I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I died.